So today I'll be doing a get ready with me while I answer you guys' questions on my recent TikToks. Somebody asked what my relationship status is. It's not even a shock anymore. Mga be, single po ako. And ready to... Ay, joke lang. Hindi pwede yan. Study first. BSB po ako mga be. No boyfriend since birth. Nga pala, peke yung mga lashes ko mga be. The only reason why I haven't gotten a boyfriend or anything relationship-wise is that feeling ko hindi ko pa kaya. Like, hindi sinasabi ko na hindi pwede mag-boyfriend ganon when you're a young age. Pero feeling ko kasi hindi pa ako mature enough to be in that situation or be committed into a relationship. Pero kaya hindi naman ako against like getting a boyfriend or anything like that. But if you are dating someone, I'm praying for your downfall.